Morning guys, so here we are again with the RX7. I borrowed some spanner resins from my friend and we're gonna lower down the car because it's way too high, as you can see. That's way too much. Alright guys, so I just put the car on jacks. So now we're just gonna have to lower the coilers. We're gonna need spanner wrenches and to loosen these up. So let's do that. We got it loose. That's actually very loose compared to how they're supposed to be. Alright, so for this side, I'm gonna just go an inch down low, an inch lower, and then I'm gonna take the car off the jacks and then lower the car down and see where the tire hits. Hopefully it's not that low, but we'll see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just measure it with this. I'm gonna go, I'll say this is about an inch. So I'm gonna put this right there where it fits. So it's perfect right there. So now we just have to bring this down low. Alright, so I lowered down an inch here. So then I'm gonna lower down the car and see where that leaves us. So that's how it sits now after I lowered it an inch. There's at least 2 fingers, so I'm gonna lower it down another inch. I think I lowered it about an inch and 3/4 in total. Yeah, an inch and 3/4 in total. And I can still fit my hand in here. So that's good. No, before we're good. I gotta see if it clears when I turn, and I don't think so because I think it's gonna rub right here in this area, but we'll see. I think we're good. So that's one side. Now we're gonna check the other side. And we're clear. So now that means we should be good to drive it like that. So I lowered that down pretty much to where there was 3 lines of thread in the bottom of the coilover. And that's actually pretty low, but I'm gonna leave it like that, so we're good. Alright, so I just finished the front. And I lit it to where you could put your fingers in between and you could go all around on both sides, so you should be good. Alright, so for the rear, it's gonna be the same thing. Just loosen up these, I don't even know what you call it, this coilover nut here. And bring it down, and we're gonna go 10 threads. And we're gonna leave it as that, put it down, and see where it leaves us. Let's go. Alright, I'm about to lower it down and see. And take a shot. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.